Hello, this is Rishabh Soni and I've created a Microsoft Power BI dashboard on Uber data. I sourced the data from Kaggle and I cleaned it using MS Excel as per my requirements. This is a multi-page dashboard and on the main page there are three KPIs: the total distance driven, the total booking amount and the ride completion rate. Below that there are two graphs that shows the use of payment method and the total distance traveled by vehicle type. As we can see, the most used payment method is UPI followed by cash, and the auto is the most used vehicle type. Below that we can see the total number of bookings as per the month. On the left top there's a slicer which we can use as per our requirement to check the data of certain time period. Below that I have created some buttons to navigate to different pages. This shows the number of rides cancelled by the customers as well as the drivers. There are two cards that I have mentioned here which shows the respective data. Moving on, this shows the total bookings by vehicle type as well as the total earning by vehicle type. These are two simple bar graphs. Coming to the next page, this shows the driver ratings as well as the customer rating based on the vehicle type. These are card values for which I have created multiple DEX measures: 6 for the driver rating, 6 for the customer rating to be specific. Coming to the next page, these are two funnel charts that shows the top pickup locations and the top drop locations. So this was my quick overview of the Power BI dashboard that I've created.